Hi everybody, I'm Julie, part of Better Chill. National Day is coming. We are going to celebrate National Day with everybody over here. And what we are going to do now is that we are going to do our outdoor cooking session because it's part of one of the itinerary that NDP proposed for all of us. So let's check it out. Let's go. I'm trying to collect all the dry leaves so that we can use it for the fire. Okay, I couldn't find any wood over here, so we can just make use with all the leaves over here. Let's do it. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to start the fire.
Hey, stop! Why don't you use this?
To demonstrate how should we use this instant grill, alright? First of all, I think we should open up this, right? And let's see. Okay, and after that, we are going to tear away these stripes. When you open up, there's an instruction guide, and we should see. First of all, 我们开这个先。Okay, then 用这个角。And there's a stand that we have to slot in to the loop that we opened just now. 应该是这个先，这个是一样的。Okay, this is the first time we are trying to start this pit also, so don't mind us. You can actually buy this from Adventure World. It's nice, it's portable for now for us to see. Perfect for 2 person, although it's not dating, but it's still good. Subsequently, once we are done with slotting in the stand, it should be able to nicely stand by itself. Ta-da! Okay, we are done with setting up the campfire. Ta-da! Okay, we are done with setting up this instant grill pit. All right, as you can see, it's nice, portable. It can stand by itself. It's beautiful. What should we do now? Oh yeah, we are going to make prata with sausage. And where is our ingredient? Wow, okay, oh, it's here already. Alright, so before we start anything, right, of course we must set out the fire. And as you can see, the beauty of this instant grill, it can actually help us to prevent the fire to damage the ground, right? Damn! First of all, we have to take this out. And Tammy will help me to light up the charcoal. It is so simple. So, please, when you use this, okay, do handle the fire with care, okay, or you handle yourself with care from the fire, all right? Okay, it'll take a while. It says 5 minutes. Okay, so from now till 5 minutes later, I'm sure that we should be able to sell this thing by right lah.
5 minutes later.
What we are going to make is the sausage, so we'll put this sausage on top of the grills.
Five minutes later.
So now we are done with pinging our sausage. Up next, we are going to ping our prata. This is our first time pinging prata on the grill also, so we don't know whether it will be success or not. Alright, so let's try, let's do it with the heart of adventure. Yeah. Okay, prata, do it good. Or should I ping the prata like the prata store? Actually, we can stretch the prata skin. That's called prata skin, right?
Prata.
Dough lah, the word is called dough. Yeah, prata dough. Actually, it will be best if let's say I use my hand on this one. We try one first, we try one first. This can make it. It's okay lah, Tammy. It's either you go toilet or we go toilet together. Wow! Damn! You see? We can make the prata like this. call me the Prata. Once you see this is like somehow okay in shape, later we will make sure that one side is actually cooked first. After that, then we flip. Then after that, we'll put the cheese on top. Make sure that it melts. Okay, so well, this is done. Okay, check yeah, just then after that, I'll put the second one on top. Yeah. 等一下，等一下。
第一次做这样 Prata。
我也是第一次做。
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, nice. Okay. Then after that, we'll scatter a bit of cheese on top. Oh, look Prata.
You see?
没事没事没事没事，不要我们放另外一边，放另外一边，放另外一边，不要给他们看到这里。So once you are done, you put a bit of lettuce and sausage over. Let's have a bit of purple color also, make it nicer. Okay, after that, we'll roll the Prata. Yes.
Wow.
With this, we are done with one.
Wow.
等一下我们再放其他的。Hi everybody, yeah, we are done with our National Day cooking session. Hey, you are here, huh? How come you are here? We are doing our National Day cooking session, no? Where do you buy?
From Adventure World.
Adventure World, huh? Wow. Okay. We did a prata with sausage, adding cheese onto it and lettuce on top of it. So I think three of us we can have two of each together. Okay?
Okay, then what about this? Then what about this? I have one extra one. What should we do?
You have one extra one, huh? Ayo. Why not we give it away to the audience?
Okay, that's a good idea. But what do they have to do to get this?
What do they have to do? Okay, why not like this? Like our video, subscribe our YouTube channel, and comment below what are you going to do with this. Okay, with that I think we are pretty much done and we are hungry. So I think it's time for us to enjoy our food. Okay, so with that we would like to wish everybody a happy National Day. Bye bye.
有放生吗？
哇，very nice 哎。啊，去吧。
Not bad. Hey, by the way, after finish our dinner, remember to dispose this responsibly.
Wow, this one very good. I think you can even use this at home, right?
Yes, I think in front of our house, playground area also can use.
Playground area also can use, but be careful when the kids are running around.
Oh no! Angie, no playground!